the best pure aromatherapy and essential oil recipes for weight loss, anti-aging, natural cures, healthy lifestyle, beauty and skincare. 51. Shower Me with Blessings. Fit for royalty, this is a great scent with blessings. You will need 9 drops of frankincense essential oil, 7 drops of lemon essential oil. 52. Orange candle. What a great and yummy smell to fill the air. You will need 19 drops of orange blossom essential oil, 5 drops of chamomile essential oil, 1 drop of lime essential oil. 53. Chantilly Lace. Pretty, fresh and clean is what this scent says. When a less is best, here's your mix. You will need 20 drops of chamomile essential oil, 7 drops of bergamot essential oil. 54. Pumpkin Patch. This is perfect for Thanksgiving or anytime you are feeling especially festive, or want to. You will need 4 drops of allspice essential oil, 3 drops of tea tree essential oil, 8 drops of ginger essential oil. 55. Bare Essentials. This blend is a great one when you are going to have males in the house. It doesn't offend them and keeps the air fresh. You will need 2 drops of tea tree essential oil, 8 drops of bearberry essential oil. Potpourri projects. Another way to make an area smell lovely and to bring aromatherapy into your life is to place drops of essential oils directly onto a surface, then place in a central location where you can catch a whiff of it now and then. These projects are very simple to make, but the benefits they bring are enormous. 56. Pine Cone Wreath. This project is perfect for fall and winter, but can be used the year round as well. Welcome your guest into your home with the sense of the forest at your doorstep. It instantly sets a relaxed atmosphere as pine essential oil is known to relieve anxiety. You will need a collection of pine cones, hot glue gun and glue, wire to hang wreath from, about 10 drops of pine essential oil. Use the glue gun to glue together a circle of pine cones. Then, twist some wire together to make a loop and attach it to the back of the wreath in the spot you would like it to hang from. Apply drops of the pine essential oil around the wreath. Use more if you would like it to be stronger and less if you would like for it to be more subtle. Hang the wreath and when the scent begins to fade, you can spruce it up with a little dot of oil. 57. Flower Power. This lovely project is wonderful to place in the bathroom area, in a hall or entryway or even in the room you gather with family and friends. You will need a handful of dried flowers, buds, roses, etc. A dish to place them in, 6 drops of rose essential oil, 2 drops of vetiver essential oil. Place the dried flowers in a container such as a glass dish or decorative bowl. Mix the essential oils together and use a dropper to dispense the oil onto the flowers. Refresh when needed. 58. Down by the Sea. Nothing is more relaxing to the senses than a little vitamin C. This easy project is nice to grace the bathroom with or can also be placed in most any room. You will need 1 cup of sea salt, blue food coloring, 4 drops of bergamot, 2 drops of lang lang. Mix a drop or 2 of the food coloring into the salt and stir until well blended in color. Add the essential oils and place in a bowl or seashell. Refresh when desired. 59. Grandma's Kitchen. Now your kitchen can smell like fresh baked goodies even when you aren't cooking. This cinnamon apple blend is delightful to look at and smells delicious, but did you know it is good for you too? Cinnamon is a godsend to speed up recovery from colds and flus, and both cinnamon and apple blossom essential oils are appetite suppressants, believe it or not. You will need 3 groups of yarn, with about 20 strands in each group, a plastic or metal ring to hang it from, 6 cinnamon sticks, glue gun and glue, 6 drops of cinnamon essential oil, 6 drops of apple blossom essential oil. Take the 3 groups of yarn and pull them through the ring so that the ring is in the middle. Loosely braid the 3 strands of yarn and tie at the end, leaving an inch or more of loose ends to dangle. Hot glue the cinnamon sticks to the yarn where desired and place on dot of each oil onto each of the sticks. Hang and refresh when needed. 60. Gardenia Sachets. Gardenia essential oil is one of the most magnificent floral scents. It is refreshing and is a mood enhancer too. You will need circles of fabric, cut in zigzag pattern as best such as with pinking shears. Small ribbons to tie sachets with. Cotton balls. Gardenia essential oil. Simply place a good bit of gardenia essential oil onto cotton balls. Then place a cluster of cotton balls in the center of each fabric circle and bring the ends together. Tie with a ribbon.